Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
good afternoon, guys.
Afternoon, Nikmat, sir. Afternoon.
Okay, back with me again in my class micro teaching today with Mr. Udin. Okay, how are you guys, by the way?
Alhamdulillah.
Are you happy in your holiday?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, I want to ask you something. For you all, what do you food are you like, and do you know how to cook it? And can you tell me the step how the food is made? Starting from you, Mas Aldi.
Cepat dong, saya ini guys. Apa? Nanya apa?
Yeah, what do you food are you like, and do you know how to cook it? And can you tell me the step how to make food?
I like what ya?
Gado-gado?
Okay.
Do you like gado-gado?
I like sebelah.
Wow, sebelah. Do you like junk food? Why?
Not much food sih, I think.
And Mas Aldi, do you know how to cook it?
No, because I usually buy sebelah on the store. I never made by myself.
Oh, you bought. You never cook it. But maybe you can tell me this simple step in the sebelah or the ingredients.
Prepare the ingredients first, like meatballs,
Mm.
raw kece, I don't know the English words, raw kece, and some spice, some lettuce, noodles, fish crab stick, fish stick, put in the after that, heat the pan,
Yes.
bring the oil and stir the seasoning, stir the garlic, and after that, the water, and after that, put all the ingredients, meatballs, kece, and so on, in the pan and cook until cook it.
Okay, Mas Aldi. Okay, thank you, Mas Aldi.
Yes.
Okay.
Lapar.
Okay. The next is I wanna ask you, Miss Aini. What do you food are you like?
I like noodles.
What?
Noodles.
Noodles.
Yes.
And do you know how to cook it? And maybe you can explain to me how this step of mother noodles.
The step is first first I pour the water in the pot, and then I pour the water and the stove, and when the water is boiling, I put the noodles into the pot, then cook the noodle for about 2 or 3 minutes, and after that, I add the seasoning into the pot. Finally, I eat the noodles.
Okay. Are your habit you eat your noodle with the rice?
No carbohydrate.
Oh, okay. Okay. From this example, today we will learn about procedure tags. Do you know, guys, what this procedure text is? Okay, procedure text is a text that explain or help us how to use something, and the function is to describe something is completely down through a sequence of steps. The next, procedure text in use. The first, to explain how to use instruction, for example, how to use like Mbak ini set noodle or Mas Aldi seblak. The next is to instruct how to do a particular activity, for example, for the ingredient, recipes, and so on. The next is to give tips. Okay, for generic structure, there are some generic structure. For the first, the goal or purpose. Goal or purpose is what are you going to do or you make. For example, how to make noodles, seblak, nasi goreng, and so on. The next is material or tools, and the last is step or method. Okay, for the next is language feature. There are some language feature. For the first is using simple present, common word or imperative verbs, and the next adverbs of manner. The next is sequence or connective. Okay, I want to ask you guys how to cook this one. Miss Putri,
What is that?
this is mie nyemek. We from Java, we call it mie nyemek. Is the same with your favorite food, Miss Aini?
Oh, it is noodles.
Yes, noodles. But we add some ingredients like we add sausage and egg, etc. And you know how to cook this one.
No, I don't know.
Okay. How to cook the mie nyemek? First step is boil the noodles, and the second is drain the water. Cook the egg in a pan and put the seasoning in a bowl. Mix noodle with seasoning. Put egg on the top, and the last serve and enjoy. Okay. Special gift. The picture are clear, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I wanna just randomly one of you to choose this picture and explain how to make this food. Who is you, Miss Putri? Come on.
Okay. I choose one or
Which one, Miss Putri?
I try tape.
Tape, cassava.
Yeah, cassava.
Do you like cassava, Miss?
Not really.
And but you know how to make cassava or tape.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, please explain to me.
Okay, the step to make cassava or tape. The first, peel and wash the cassava until clean.
Yes.
Cut into medium-sized pieces. Boil or steam the cassava until cooked but not too soft, and then drain and cool completely. After that, sprinkle crushed yeast evenly over the cassava and then arrange in a container, cover with banana leaf or close in the light closely.
Okay.
After that, ferment for 2 until 3 days at room temperature. And last, after fermentation, the tape will be sweet, soft, and slightly watery, like that.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Putri.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys. So, what we learned today?
Procedure tax.
Procedure tax. Okay, what is procedure tax is?
Text that explain how or use effort to make and use something.
Okay, great. Okay, I think all of you understand about the lesson. So, thank you very much for joining my class today, and see you next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.